Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's cook our 4 slices of bacon. Place them in a frying pan over medium heat. You'll want to cook them until they're nice and crisp, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. A good indicator that they're ready is when you see them turn a beautiful golden brown and hear that satisfying sizzle. Be careful not to let them burn. If they start to darken too quickly, just lower the heat a bit. Once they're perfectly crispy, remove them from the pan and set them aside on a paper towel to drain any excess fat. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Now let's move on to the eggs. Reduce the heat to low-medium, and without cleaning the pan, crack 2 large eggs directly into the bacon fat. This is where the magic happens. The bacon fat adds incredible flavor to the eggs. A common mistake is to have the heat too high, which can cause the eggs to cook too quickly and become rubbery. So, keep it low and slow. You'll know the eggs are cooking nicely when the whites start to set around the edges. Next, it's time to baste the eggs with the bacon fat. This step is crucial because it helps cook the tops of the eggs without flipping them, keeping the yolks intact and runny. Use a spoon to gently scoop the hot fat over the eggs. You'll want to do this until the whites are fully set and the yolks reach your desired doneness. If you like your yolks runny, this should take about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the whites are opaque and firm. Once your eggs are cooked to perfection, carefully remove them from the pan using a slotted spatula. This tool is great because it allows any excess fat to drain off before you plate them. If you don't have a slotted spatula, a regular one will do. Just be a bit more cautious. Season the eggs with salt and black pepper to taste. Remember, the bacon is already salty, so you might not need much salt. Finally, serve your bacon and eggs immediately while they're still warm. The combination of crispy bacon and perfectly cooked eggs is a classic breakfast delight. Enjoy the rich flavors and the satisfaction of having made the best bacon and eggs using this quick method.
Bon appétit!
And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.